Taliban Swift takeover of Afghanistan. Shocking analysis. It is absolutely wrong to say that US and allies left Afghanistan in haste. US move was pre-calculated, predetermined, and correct. Months of backdoor diplomacy, long spells of Doha negotiations resulted in withdrawal deal, which also meant eventual Taliban takeover, but not so swift. What was behind sweeping advances? 300,000 strong Afghan army equipped with state-of-the-art equipment. Were they bunch of cowards? Absolutely not. Taliban are sons of the soil, so do Afghan soldiers. Mostly from same tribal roots. During the negotiations with US and allies, Taliban might have been in dialogue with other warlords, commanders and governors. They pretended they support the regime, but behind the scene who knows what was cooking? We can only guess. The way they handed over keys to Taliban city after city without any fight surprised the world, scratching their heads. How was it possible a small contingent of 60,000 strong ill-equipped Taliban sweep across the country from Jalalabad to Mazar-e-Sharif in 2 weeks against air attacks and massive army? US is leaving to achieve its goals and on their own terms. Taliban honored the deal not to harm US and foreign personnels and not to harbor any foreign militants such as Al-Qaeda and others. It is hoped Talban stick to their promise of non-violence in the country and respect the lives and well-being of their fellow citizens. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks.